Most people don't know you can self-host a full automation engine with AI support for free. No monthly fees, no cloud lock-in. I've got this running on my own machine and it builds entire blog posts with just a few inputs. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up n8n using Docker Desktop in under 5 minutes and walk you through a real AI workflow I use every day. n8n is a powerful open source workflow automation tool. You can think of it like a visual programming canvas for connecting APIs, running scripts, and building logic without writing tons of code. It features a simple and easy to use node editor that has a bunch of nodes that n8n provides for you. And the best part about it is that you own it, you control it, and you can run it locally with no limits in the number of executions. All you need is Docker Desktop. If you don't have it, head to docker.com and download it for Windows or Mac. Once Docker Desktop is installed and running, open up your terminal and we're going to spin up n8n with a single command. Here's the command that I use, and I got it from the official n8n website. The first line creates a Docker volume to store your n8n data so it persists between runs. The second line basically allows you to set a name for your container, exposes the same ports to your host machine, and also downloads the Docker n8n image. Once the container is loaded up, go to localhost 5678 to log in to n8n. Now let me show you this workflow I made. It's basically split up into 4 parts. The first part is creating the text blog content, which is done by the basic LLM chain. It has the OpenAI model and a structured output parser. Secondly, the image prompt, which is generated by ChatGPT, goes to the OpenAI image generator. The next part of the process is making the image compressed into 100 kilobytes or less. It goes to an HTTP request to my server, which uploads the image. And the fourth stage, it happens with the merge and the MongoDB. It merges the blog content and the image URL into one object that gets sent to MongoDB. From there, I have my simple website which fetches data from MongoDB and displays the content beautifully formatted with the image and the keywords and everything. And now with n8n, you can have many different workflows and have them active or inactive. So I currently have a different workflow that is fully local, so no ChatGPT, no cost for generating images. It's all local. So if you'd like another detailed video on how I set that up, leave a like and maybe subscribe and drop a comment about your opinions. If you want to check out my website and try out your own blog, the link is down in the description, and have a go and see for yourself how amazing this tool is. Thank you guys for watching and happy automating.